everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Navarita Elsalina Suarez. My student ID number is 19251616 and I'm from class 19 2C 30 Study Program Information System. Today I will explain two things: what inside the computer and what hardware is. Let's start. First, let's look inside the computer. The main components and functions are CPU, work as brain to process all calculation. RAM, handles short memory storage, save data permanently. PSU, converts electricity from wall into save power. Cooling system with fans prevents overheating and damage. All of them must work together. This is CPU and motherboard. The brain system. First, CPU is central processing unit that calculates all data. Second, speed measured in GHz. More correct means better multitasking. Third, motherboard connects CPU, RAM, storage like hardware system. Fourth, all electronic signals travel through motherboard circuits so all parts can communicate. Now, RAM versus storage. The memory system. First, RAM is short-term memory that clears when power off. Second, storage is long-term memory as in SSD or HDD drives. Third, analogy. RAM equals study disk. Storage equals bookshelf. Fourth, memory RAM opens many apps, more storage save more files. Last, for inside PC is PSU and cooling the power system. First, PSU converts 220 volt AC electricity to save low DC. Second, fans at heatsink keep CPU temperature cool and stable. Third, hot CPU automatically slows down to protect itself. Fourth, good cooling system ensures stable and fast performance. Okay, that's what's inside. Now let's talk about hardware. Now we talk about hardware. Hardware means all physical parts you can touch. If you can drop or break it, that's its hardware. Software is program inside. Hardware is physical machine. Hardware divided into input-output processing groups. First group is input hardware. First, input hardware sends data and commands into computer. Second, keyboard types letter numbers symbols as input commands. Third, mouse moves cursor and clicks buttons on screen. Fourth, microphone scanner camera also sends data to computer. Second group is output hardware. First, output hardware displays result and data from computer. Second, monitor shows image, videos, text, and graphics. Third, printer prints document, photos, and paper output. Fourth, speaker headset product sound, music, and voice. Last group is processing and storage hardware. First, CPU processes all data calculation as computer brain. Second, RAM stores temporary data while computer is working. Third, SSD and HDD save permanent files and operating system. Fourth, CPU RAM storage work together for smooth operation. So, in conclusion, inside the computer we have brain, memory, and power, and all physical parts are called hardware, input, output, and processing. Thank you for listening.